Hi friends, Danielle here from White Stitch Co, where I talk about everything knitting and crochet. And today's quick knitting video tutorial is how to do a make one increase, and that includes a make one left and a make one right. I will be demonstrating on this active piece that I'm working on right now. This yarn is by Appalachian Fibers. It is a really beautiful kind of variegated colorway. They don't specify the colorway on the tag, but it is by Appalachian Sock Company. And the pattern I'm demonstrating on, if you're interested, is actually a free shawl pattern called the Autumn Leaf Shawl by Lavish Designs on their blog. And so that is what I'm working on here. And they actually, in their pattern, they specify, you might see this sometimes, is the special stitch is called just M1, and they specify how to do the stitch. But other ways you'll see it is M1L for a make one left and M1R for make one right. So I'll demonstrate here. To do a make one left, we will be just inserting our left needle. And again, I am a continental knitter, right-handed, working on the right side of the work here. So to do the make one left, we are inserting our left needle, and we are going to pick up this bar underneath between these two last stitches we worked. So we've got the right-hand needle with our last stitch worked here. We've got this bar here that we'll be working through. And then we have our next stitch already on the left needle here. So we're going to take our left needle from front to back and pick up that bar between the two stitches. And for make one left, we are inserting our right needle into the back of that stitch and completing a knit. So again, make one left, we are picking up the bar from front to back, inserting the right needle into the back loop and completing the knit. For a make one right, we will be going in the opposite direction. So we will be inserting our right needle from back to front and then knitting through the front loop. Whoops. Just say that again. So make one right is back to front and knit through the front. There. And those are the two increases, make one left and make one right. And I hope this was helpful. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. I've got more tutorials for knitting and crochet on my channel if you want to check them out. And I hope you have a wonderful day.